how to edit queue on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit queue on Spotify. Firstly, open your Spotify application and click on any song you want, and here after the song appears, you will see the three dash line in the bottom right corner. Click on it. After that, you will be appeared on a new screen where you can edit your queue. You can simply move the songs around the queue list by simply clicking on the three dash line beside each song. Just hold on it and you can drag your songs from the top to bottom. And now if you want to remove a song from your queue list, simply click on the circle of the desired song and click on the remove option at the bottom left corner. And if you want to completely remove the songs from the queued list, simply click on the clear queue option at the bottom right and your queued list will be empty. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.